That is good. I am impressed. Hey y'all, Emily here from The Way We Hunt. Welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. We are in beautiful Wyoming. Ryan and I drew out for antelope tags, and so this is our first day here. We saw two groups this morning, just never got a good shot on one. Antelope doing antelope things. But anyway, now it's lunchtime, which is perfect for y'all. We got a review to do for you. So if you have seen a couple of our videos before, we have done some freeze-dried meal reviews in the past, and this company, Right on Trek, sent us a few meals for us to try, and I figured what better way to do it than when we're in Wyoming hunting, because, you know, that's what freeze-dried meals are all about, right? These are going to be a little different than what I have tried before. You do not actually put the water inside the bag like we have in the past. These are meant for a pot. But I didn't bring a pot. I kind of wanted to try it out with what we already have. And we have our jet boil here, and I'm going to use it as a pot and see how it works. One thing about these meals, well, one, they're made in Montana, which is kind of cool. But this is something I have never seen before. With these meals comes like these little accessory packs, like different things that goes and pairs with the meal. So the first one we're going to try is a chicken coconut curry, and it comes with cashews, peanut butter, and Ryan's favorite, sriracha. So hopefully it'll be fine. This one might just be Ryan's. But I figure this is a perfect time to do this review. It's lunchtime, we need to eat anyway. The other one that we're going to try is this, I don't even know how to pronounce this, Bechamel, B-E-C-H-A-M-E-L style mac and cheese. I have no idea what that means. Sorry for not pronouncing that right. This one comes with some Parmesan cheese and some Cholula. Cholula? That is not correct. That is not the right answer. Anyway, it comes with some other hot sauce. So we're gonna see if I can eat the mac and cheese, or we'll just go back and forth. Like I've done in the past, I'm gonna kind of tell you a little bit about the ingredients that go with these. So with this Bechamel style mac and cheese, you've got 540 calories, you've got 20 grams of fat, you've got 1,270 milligrams of sodium, you know, because it's mac and cheese, but it packs 22 grams of protein. Also, if you hear weird noise in the background, that is not just any animal, that is our dog Issa, who is just wandering around doing Issa things. We brought her on this trip. Anyway, all the ingredients in here are all like normal, everyday, good ingredients. There's not anything in here that's like throws red flags to me. So I like that. The sodium, we're higher altitude than we are in Oklahoma and Wyoming, and we've been hiking our butts off all day chasing these antelope that obviously run faster than we do. So I'm excited to try this, and these are single servings, well, one person serving packs. Some of the meals that we've done in the past serve 2 people. These are 1 serving per container. 540 calories in this one. All right, back to the chicken curry. This one has 550 calories in it. Again, single person serving. 17 grams of fat, only 610 milligrams of sodium, and also it packs 22 grams of protein in it. And again, the ingredients on it are nothing to snub your nose at. These are great ingredients. So I'm really excited to try this. The directions on this are that you need to boil 10 ounces of water. Our jet boil has a line for 2 cups, so I did a conversion. 10 ounces of water is 1.25 cups of water. So I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it because, you know, that's kind of what I do. You're gonna boil 10 ounces of water, turn the heat down, add all the ingredients to the pot, and then I'm gonna cook it on low, stirring for about 3 minutes, and then we're gonna eat it, and we're gonna try it. And then we're gonna clean this out, and we're gonna cook the next one. So let's get started. That looks like 1.25 cups of water. All right, everything's on there good. We got fire! Wrong direction. All right, our water is boiled. And let's open it up. All right, so this is what it looks like on the inside. It has this little packet of something. I don't know what that is. Oh, this is the chicken and all the curry. And yeah, we don't want to eat that. So we'll take that out. Add that in there. Add the chicken. But it says add all the ingredients. I don't know, I don't understand if I'm supposed to add all the ingredients that are inside there and then put the cashews and the sriracha and the peanut butter in after. I don't know. That already tastes really good. All right, let's turn this back on. I'm sorry, Right on Track, if I'm ruining this for you, but hey, as long as it tastes good, I don't think that it matters. Because everybody kind of does their own thing when they're camping and hiking and hunting. You know, it's adding other ingredients into it.
What are you opening there?
This is the peanut butter. Oh no. Oh, this went really bad. Oh no. My bad, eat the peanut butter. And then the sriracha. Oh my gosh. Why is everything exploding? Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Okay, I'm definitely not adding all the sriracha in there. Ryan can add some more later. All right, I'm just gonna mix everything up. See what happens. What's the worst that can happen? The flies attack me and eat all my food. That seems like what's happening right now. Boil it, add the ingredients, cook on low for 3 minutes, remove from heat. Yeah, that's like super fast. Like, we're almost ready to eat this. All right, so, you know, like typical Emily fashion, I didn't do what the directions said, and I just kind of did my own thing. So let's try it and see if it's rehydrated yet. It smells amazing. Temperature-wise, it is very hot. Flavor-wise, it is fantastic. But I am kind of biased to curry. I really like curry. And what's funny is I forgot that I was bringing this meal, and I pre-made chicken curry for us back at our room in the evenings to eat. So this whole trip, we're just gonna eat chicken curry. Even with not cooking it exactly like the directions said to, just stirring it and letting it sit here for a few minutes has rehydrated everything like extremely quickly. The chicken's already rehydrated, the rice is rehydrated, the sriracha is starting to kick in, which is probably gonna be great for Ryan. But overall, Right on Track, you got it. I like this one. You guys did a good job. I really like the ingredients in it. Everything is, this is golden. I like this. I can't wait to try the mac and cheese. And another one that I didn't bring is a breakfast one, but we had breakfast in the morning, so I'll have to do that one later. But yeah, let's see what Ryan thinks of this. Give me the camera.
Sorry. And pine needles.
It's gonna be hell.
Smells good. It tastes like a freeze-dried meal.
Oh, it tastes like something you got from a restaurant.
I paid money at a restaurant for this, for real. Yep, good job. I like this.
So now we're gonna eat one of our lunches.
Yep.
Clean that out and go on to the next one. So you guys will see us in a few minutes. Okay, so we just finished the chicken curry. It was fantastic. It was really good. liked it. Now let's try the Bechamel style mac and cheese. Had to look it up. It's a French word. I don't speak French.
Bechamel. Bechamel sauce. Bechamel sauce, or in French, Bechamel.
And I probably pronounced that wrong still. I apologize. I am not French. Disclaimer. So the directions on this one is boil 8 ounces of water or 1 cup. Add the noodles and boil it for 3 to 5 minutes. Turn off the heat, add the cheese mix, stir, and then you can add in the optional ingredients they sent, the Cholula and the Parmesan. All right, it's probably gonna taste a little like curry because I didn't bring any soap to clean this out. I won't hold that against you right on track because that was my bad. Bro, no, not your water, my water. You got a whole thing of ice. Let me do me. Some curry on that, I think. That scares the crap out of me every time.
If you haven't seen Emily's Oregon jet boil video, I might put it in right here.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
What it looks like on the inside. We got powdered cheese, we got spices, and we got noodles. Adding the noodles. Oh, I dropped a few noodles. One of the things that I didn't mention about Right on Track's packaging is that it is sustainable, bio-based packaging, so it's, you know, better for the environment than some of the other packaging. I just want to mention this. It's nothing against Right on Track because there's a lot of companies that do this, but I like the packages that have the zipper top that I can just put the water in and cook it internally instead of having to use a pot. If we were camping and we were back around the campfire, you know, it wouldn't be that big of a deal, but when we're out and about and away from anything, it's easier for us if it has a zip top because you don't have to worry about cleaning this, and then all of the trash that comes from the packaging you can put back into the bag and you can zip it up, and it's just easier to pack out that way. So I don't have to think ahead and bring something to seal it in, so I don't get peanut butter and Cholula all inside of my hunting bag. But that's just me personally. It has nothing to do with them. There's other companies that do it. It's just me personally. Has it been 3 to 5 minutes? I don't know. Let's check. Them noodles looking good. I might have put too much water in here. It's okay. All right, we're gonna add the cheese. Oh gosh, it's very powdery. This is like the finest powdered cheese ever. I don't know why we didn't kill any antelope. Maybe it was covered in cheese. Smells like mac and cheese. I guess I'm supposed to put the spices in there too. The herbs and spices. That does. Oh, somebody got a notification. We have quasi-service where we are right now, apparently. Man, it looks good. I like the green. The green makes it look fancy. It's a little watery. Probably because you're supposed to boil it for 3 to 5 minutes after you initial boil. Probably get some of that moisture out of there. Or maybe you were supposed to drain it. Did they say that? Nope. Maybe this is what it's supposed to look like. That's fine. All right, let's see if I can take this off.
What about the Cholula?
That was, I want to try it before. These are optional ingredients, Brandon. I want to try it before the optional ingredients. The temperature is really hot. That's good. I like this mac and cheese better than the blue box, which that was probably an insult to Right on Track. I'm sorry. This is way better quality than that fake stuff that Kraft puts out there. which does taste amazing, by the way, but it does have a lot of preservatives and crap in it that you should not put into your body. But this is fantastic. Okay, I already tried it once. Let me put the Cholula in. There it goes. There it goes. What?
There's more in there.
You can put some in afterwards. I want to taste test it first and see how hot it is. If you guys haven't figured out, I'm a big whip when it comes to hot stuff. So, and Ryan is not. That is good. I am impressed. If the rest of the meals that Ride on Trek has are like the two that I've just tried, you guys need to check them out like yesterday. So this is fantastic. We want to give a huge shout out to Ride on Trek for sending this to us to try. Had never heard of the company before. We're not sponsored by them. They were just gracious enough to send this to us because they wanted an honest review, and you're gonna get that from us. I'm not blowing smoke. This stuff was good. It has exceeded all of my expectations. Again, you guys need to get online, buy some of this right now. It is definitely worth the money. Now, before we go, we're gonna get an unbiased opinion from Ryan and see how Ryan thinks of this.
That's really good.
You can't just eat, you have to talk too.
I'm sorry, it's really good. Way better than, better tasting than the crab stuff. Is that parsley?
It's just a whole mix of different ingredients. Don't eat all of it.
All right, well, thanks you guys. Hope you enjoyed this out here from the mountaintops of Wyoming. If you're not subscribed, please do that. Please like this video. It immensely helps out the channel. That's how we grow. That's how YouTube recommends our videos to other people like you. We really appreciate you guys. We consider all of you all family. You guys have been on this journey with us, and it means a ton to us. Sorry, the dog just fell over. We love you guys. Now we're gonna go kill some antelope. We're out of here. Bye.